Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded this video to discuss about the personalization and through for the contents. So earlier video we have already discussed about the content asset and content slots, and content slots are nothing but a container which has a content information and then you can schedule it. Now in this video we are discussing that how you can personalize it. How can you give the personalized experience to customers? So let's say that uh, you have a logged in customer versus a guest customer and you want to show the different content to the customer, or based on the some customer group you want to show the different content to customer group. So what you need to do that you need to put a content into the content slots, and then you need to configure that slot accordingly. So let's see it here in the continuation of a previous example. So it's a home page. On the home page it's a home main slot, and in the home main slot you can have multiple configurations. So let's here you created a first one configuration, and in the one configuration what is happening that you you put the HTML demo text just for an example, and then you scheduled it that on the 10th of Feb for everyone you want to show this content, and then you created another configuration, and in that one you put the test 2, right, and then here you put a configuration that on 11th of Feb for everyone you want to show this text, right? So that's how what is happening that if you will open up storefront, and so on 10th of Feb, right, on one second, what date it is selected on 10th of Feb, when customer will come they will see demo text, but on 11th of Feb when customer will come they will see this text. But on 12th, when customer is coming on the web storefront they will see nothing because nothing is configured for that. So that's how you are you're configuring the content, that you're deciding that okay, on Christmas show this content, on during the winter season show this content, or for this customer group. So coming back to the original one, if we go back to the our example here, what you are doing that putting a schedule, and you are also putting a customer group. If you'll not put a without schedule you can put you can say that okay, for you can create multiple configurations, right? So you can create multiple configurations, and for each configuration you can decide that when it will be displayed and to whom it will be displayed. And once those conditions will meet, the right content will be displayed. So that's a one way of personalization. The other way is, if you'll see it here, you can put a shed. So that's for a default schedule. Now if you'll see it here, so there is another way for the campaign schedule. So you can also create a schedule through the campaign. Now if you'll go to the campaign, let's say here, okay. Okay, so here if you'll see uh, customer group, uh, right, so here in the campaign, uh, again, it is being used for promotions and all, and in the slot configuration you can where is that? Yeah, in the slot configuration you can put up experience that for this slot, let's say home. So home main, we had what, home main, right? So in this slot for this one, let's say for demo, right? For demo, for so home page slot for demo configuration, you want to schedule it from this date to this date, from this customer to this customer. Now, so the question is, it's the same thing you were doing within a content slot itself. So what's the difference here? So here the difference is that it's giving you a greater power, that if customer is coming through the source code, or his customer is applying certain coupon, then only this slot configuration will be activated. So if you are scheduling a content for a certain customer group, you can do within a content slot. But if you want to schedule it through some coupon or through source code, then you can use the campaign. So that's how this whole personalization will work for the content. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks. Bye bye.